here again talking about real estate investment, and today I'll be telling you about the opportunities, real estate opportunities in Ibejuleki. Where there are people, there will be demand for accommodation, right? Yes. And where there is high number of people, there will be high demand for accommodation, and which will make the price high. All right? That's the trick. Now, as an investor, the first thing you look at when investing in real estate is you check what is happening around the area. For Ibejuleki, for instance, do you know that it has something called the Dangote refinery? Now, when people hear refinery, they think, oh, pollution. No, everything has been put into consideration to make sure that there are residential areas around the refinery, around the Dangote refinery, and there are also commercial areas around this place. The first thing you should do is to contact a realtor like me to tell you the area that are safe for residential living and the other areas that are not safe. It is estimated that in the next 3 years, over 500,000 direct and indirect jobs will be created in Ibejuleki. I tell you, for you to be a part of this, the lands there are going for very low price. Now, if you are getting a land there and you want to get a genuine land, I am the person to call, because you actually need to get something genuine when you want to get something in Ibejuleki. So, it's now in your court. Until I come your way again, my name is Simon Adozi, and I make happy landlords.